Welcome. If you're looking to delete your Pinterest account on your PC and want the most up-to-date steps, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can remove your Pinterest account quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account details. Now that you're in the Settings section, look for the option labeled Account Management. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll find the controls for making changes to your Pinterest account, including deleting it. Scroll down until you see the option that says Delete Account. Click on it. Pinterest will ask if you're sure you want to delete your account, and it'll explain what happens when you do. If you're certain about your decision, click Continue to move forward. Next, Pinterest will ask you to choose a reason for leaving. Select the purpose that best fits your situation from the list provided. Once you've made your choice, confirm your decision by following the on-screen instructions. And that's it. Your Pinterest account will be scheduled for deletion. Pinterest usually sends you a confirmation email, so be sure to check your inbox and follow any final steps if required. Remember, deleting your account is permanent, and all your boards, pins, and data will be removed. If you're sure this is what you want, you've now completed the process with the latest update. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video.